Once upon a time, there was an adventurous plumber named Jim who believed every plumbing task was a grand quest. One day, he got a call about a severely clogged pipe. Determined to solve it, Jim packed his toolbox like a knight preparing for battle and set off. Arriving, he found the pipe was a maze of twists and turns in an old mansion. Undeterred, Jim plunged his snake tool deep into the pipes. Hours passed, and suddenly, a loud noise erupted. Water gushed through every faucet, shower, and toilet in the house. Jim stood soaked, exclaiming, "Well, I did say I'd make a splash." The homeowner laughed. "Jim, you've turned my house into a water park."